Hi, Craig here from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a Holden VZ Commodore. The VZ Commodore ran from the 8th month 2004 to the 9th month 07. It has a 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine, and this particular one is a HBA cone and fitted with an automatic transmission. 3.6 litre V6. There's many types of V6 engine in the VZ Commodore, and the easiest way to find out which engine you have is if you look down here. Might be very hard to see on the camera. Just down there near the starter motor is a white sticker. This particular one is a HBA, and you need to match that engine number. Nice clean chrome insert executive headlight right down front. Fortunately, the right hand guard is kinked up the top there near the door mirror. May suit private customer. 15-inch steel wheels. Right front electric door mirror. Both right hand doors appear to be in good condition. Right hand executive taillight, although it has a few sun cracks. Still good for a private customer. Nice clean rear bumper. Left hand taillight, the executive type. Nice clean boot lid, non-spoiler type. Left hand rear door appears to be in good condition. Right front door on the other hand is not. Left front electric door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with a cloth interior, being an executive. Has front power windows and manual rear windows. Automatic transmission. If you have any part inquiries about this vehicle, the stock reference number is 2688A. We ship parts Australia-wide daily. We have a few different options for warranty available on our parts. Just ask one of our salesmen. You could check out our website, totalpartsplus.com.au. It has a search parts now, or you could view car catalogues. You can check our eBay store out, Total Parts Plus 1. Or you can follow us on social media like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Or feel welcome to come down and visit us at our Coopers Plains warehouse. Thank you for watching our video.